Candidate number 6, pick up your question. Candidate number 6, this is your question. How do you handle disappointment? Once again, how do you handle disappointment? Sa Tagalog,
Paano mo hinahandle ang pagkadismaya? Yes. Disappointment is a strong feelings. Paano mo nahahandle ang pagkadismaya sa buhay?
How I handle disappointment. I handle disappointment I'm facing every day by looking the positive behind the disappointment. Don't think negative when you disappoint. We learn from our mistake. Sometimes I'm thinking, maybe this time is not for me. Maybe God have a better plan for me. That's why disappointment make me motivate. I make disappointment as motivation and inspiration to do better, to be success, and this is the key to reach and to be a successful someday. Disappointment is not just for negativity. Disappointments teach us to accept something na hindi para sa atin. That's how I handle disappointment. Thank you.
number 6 partner.
What is disappointment for you? Or how do you